This short video presents what Effectplan can do for you who work in the construction industry in roles as project controller and project manager. You might be working with Excel today and find it difficult to get an overview of your entire project portfolio. We start by showing how easy a project controller can build a project template. First, we add sections. We set row types to activities. We name the different sections and adjust settings if needed. Then we add activities to the relevant sections. To get a total, we simply create a calculation summarizing the different sections. Second, we create columns and name them Actuals, Budget, Forecast and Differentials. We group these columns to simplify for users and add a calculation to the differential column to show the difference between forecast and budget. We set a header with relevant project information, such as project manager, project start and project end dates, and a project description. If you like to have other rows and columns, you can of course adjust accordingly. This is just an example. Now we switch to the start page for the project manager, and here we can do a real-time analysis. Then we select a project plan and start adjusting the forecast. When the plan is completed, it may be shared with management and project controllers. Effectplan, a modern and easy way of planning with rapid time to value.